I am so excited. I haven't been to my plant store in a very long time, and I don't know if they're going to let me videotape, but I'm going to give it my best shot because they have some of my favorite plants all the time, and I look in awe. So let's go check out Flagg's nursery if they let me videotape.
Turn left, then the destination is on your left. Arrived.
So come along with me, it's SuzyQue. Hey
everybody, SuzyQue here, and welcome to Plantique 101, or as my friends would say, Plantiques. And today I am at my favorite nursery, Flagg's. I'm in New Jersey, and this is Flagg's Garden Center and Nursery, I think it's called. Now, I don't know if they're going to let me film Flagg's Garden Center, but let's check it out. But I have to get past some of these flowers here. So they've already got the flowers. Already got them out. Even though it's cold here, I'm still wearing hoodies. I did plant some pansies around my turtle pond. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. That would go great in a miniature setting. I'd love to see what they have outside first. Oh, look at these. They've got combination hanging plants for outside. A fuchsia. I wonder if this is a double flowering fuchsia. Oh, no, from this one is not a double flowering fuchsia. This one looks to be. Maybe I will get a fuchsia. They don't really like the hot weather, so it'd be really good. Not here's beautiful. Look at this. And here's some the vincas, the variegated vincas. Oh, I cannot wait for the weather to break a little bit more. $25 fuchsias. I'm definitely going to get a fuchsia. Look at this little greenhouse. I love it. I love it. Now they also have a lot of outside statues and amazing pots. I'm not here for that today, but I will definitely show you a brief overview. And of course, edibles, which I'm always planting for my my animals and myself, but mostly for my animals to chew on. Oh, I might have to start growing. I'm doing aquaponics this year. I have to look around to see if I can find someone to ask them if I can videotape. Okay, she said I could as long as I don't get her in the video footage. It's on my wish list. The Anthurium crystallinum. I might have to get. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Look at the crystals. Hopefully I can capture it. Yes. I don't think it's capturing. Cherry pink evergreen, beautiful. Monstera, Thai Constellation. They have a Thai Constellation. Look at this gorgeous Thai Constellation. Ooh, they have the Rhaphidophora decursiva. Ooh, and they have a picture of what it looks like full grown too.
And then this guide, it's just about watering care for that. Because we are planting it, it is going to be guaranteed at 100% for the first year. So we will replace it.
Oh, look. The high Rhaphidophora high. That's beautiful. Ooh, they have Dashidia over here. Look at that beautiful dragon jade. This is a Dashidia that's on my wish list. And the Hoya heart variegated. See how it's not a leaf, it's an actual stem that will continue to grow into a plant. The dragon scale alocasia, look at that. Anthurium black beauty. Oh, what a beauty it is. That is absolutely gorgeous. Black beauty. Look at this whale fin. There's two of them. There's another one here. Beautiful. Look at this Dashidia. Definitely love the Mycans. So they have a Hoya retusa. They have a couple of them. This one looks really good. Look at that. All their plants here always look amazing. Look at the pink princess. Oh, pink princess. Look at all the new growth on it. Okay, just about all these plants on this shelf are on my wish list. Oh man. The brandi. Beautiful. Blue pencil cactus. They're gorgeous. Scindaptus. True by Moon. We got the silver sword here, the philodendron silver sword. Oh, look at this. That's the Kirkeye silver. Monstera Peru. I can't get over this dragon scales. They look so good. Especially the new leaf that comes out. Oh, decisions. Oh, the pink splash. Look at the Sigonium. Look at how many there are. All right, let me head back to the back of the store where it's all the plants I can afford. Okay, so now back to the everyday regular house plants. Look at all these Mycans. Definitely getting a Mycan today. Now here is just a leaf. This will stay for years. It won't grow into a plant, but it'll stay for years. Look at all these Cebu blues. Oh, I wish my friend Elizabeth was here. Of course, they've got ceramics and other pots. Beautiful. I I gotta say, I never feel more close to who I'm supposed to be than when I'm surrounded by these kind of plants. I've never felt more alive when I'm around these plants and more at peace. Look at this. For this alone, I would love to have a greenhouse in my property. We got a couple tables of succulents. I love the ficus. This is the Philodendron Imperial Red. And look at these alocasias, the hylo. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Hylo Beauty, less than $20. It's some amazing plants for amazing prices here. And over here we have the variegated string of pearls, Senecio Rollans variegata. Very nice. Oh, very nice. Look at the creeping peperomia or the string of turtles. And I love this Pllieay. Tiny tears. Oh, ZZ and a hanging plant. I do love these tiny tears, these little Pllieays. They do very well in my tiny greenhouse. Variegated string of hearts. Love this Transcendia. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Oh, there's another Micans. I do like the Micans a lot. Look how much beautiful variegations on this Birkin. I don't know if you can hear me. Look at the size of that. Wow. Oh, look at this TriStar. Beautiful. Love the rubber tree plants. Look at that. Ficus is probably one of my favorite genus besides the Hoya. Let me see. I don't think I've seen this one. Ruby rubber tree. Look at all the begonias. Are absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Oh. Look at all these peperomias. In peperomia heaven. This is Fern Alley. Some beautiful high moisture plants. I don't ever want to leave. Oh, look at that Hoya. Beautiful ivies. Look at these. More Birkins, little baby Birkins. Philodendrons. Philodendron Brazil. Beautiful. Little baby tiny plants. Look at all these little mini pots. Oh my gosh. I might have to pick up some bird seed. I wonder if they have the diatomaceous earth. I'm looking for a bag. And then tons and tons of pesticides, nutrients, ponds. All right, guys. I'm here at the precipice of my decision. Do I get this beautiful pink princess? Would you get it? Stay tuned for my haul. Everything that I got.
Hey, everybody, it's SuzyQue. Hey, everybody, it's SuzyQue. Na na, hey, everybody, it's SuzyQue. So come along with me. Said I'm SuzyQue.